Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. Let's start by opening the settings on our phone. To do it, you can swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called security and tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and find the option called encryption and credentials. Tap on it, and here we have the clear credentials option. Tap on it, tap on OK. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, enter the PIN, password or pattern to confirm, like that. As you can see, it says credential storage has been erased. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.